Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cosmopolitan Education. I'm here again and we are continuing the same chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life. And I'd like to tell you all that if you like the video, then please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and press the like button also. And if you are having any doubt, any queries, you can write very freely in the comment section. Okay, so just let's start the topic now. We have already discussed about two different types of cell organelle. The first one was endoplasmic reticulum, and in the second video I have talked about the Golgi apparatus. This time we have another cell organelle that is called as lysosomes. This is also very unique cell organelle. As you will be knowing this cell organelle, or all the facts you will be knowing, you will be getting it very interesting cell organelle actually. So first of all, let's discuss about the structure of lysosome. This is the membrane bound sacs. Lysosomes are actually membrane bound sacs, and these sacs are filled with digestive enzymes. This is the unique property of lysosome, that it is filled with digestive enzymes, and these enzymes are synthesized by RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So basically the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it was synthesizing the proteins as well as it was synthesizing some digestive enzymes also. And the enzymes which were synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are stored in the lysosomes, because the function of the lysosome is totally dependent on the presence of those digestive enzymes. So basically it is the structure, it is the membrane bound sac which is filled with digestive enzymes made by RER. You can see that structure here clearly. This is the structure of lysosome, and it is having simple structure, but the only thing you have to understand, or you have to memorize here, that it is full of digestive enzymes. And as it is having digestive enzymes, its function is based on that only. So when it comes about the function of lysosome, the very first function is, it is a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. As it is having digestive enzymes, so the enzymes are basically responsible for the digestion of substances which are present inside the cell, or you can say any foreign material or substance. If any bacteria or any something that type of substance, it enters inside the cell, in that case the lysosome is able to digest that particular material. So that's why it is a type of waste disposal system. If any type of wastage is present in the cell, it can be removed with the help of lysosomes. They help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. If some cell organelles are also not functioning properly, in that case, or if there is entry of any foreign material, in that case also lysosomes become functional. They are able to dispose that material. So in that way they are keeping the cell clean actually. So they are helpful in keeping the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. And when the cell gets damaged, this is the condition actually, sometimes when it can happen, when the cell gets damaged, what can be done by the lysosome at that time? When the cell gets damaged or any change in the metabolism happens which is not going to be positive for the cell, at that time lysosome can burst. It can burst and it can digest, it can dissolve the another cell organelles which are present in its own cell. The cells are having another organelles also, but if there is the case of emergency, when the cell is damaged or any that type of thing has happened, what will happen at that time? The lysosome is going to burst and it is going to digest the organelle which are present in its own cell, and that's why it has got a very unique name. It is called as the suicide bag of the cell, because it is basically making the cell to do suicide. So that's why it is called as the suicide bag of the cell. So these are some functions of the lysosomes which you have to understand, or which you have to learn actually, because when the question will come about the structure and function of the lysosome, in that case you have to write these things. So I think you have understood about the lysosome. Next cell organelle, which is mitochondria, this we are going to cover in the next video. Thank you for watching everyone.